Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and so easy square. You see? It looks wonderful. Instead of using a solid granny, you can use them. It make your work project fancy, I think. And I'm gonna make a pullover with them. So I need to show you how to make it. For this one, I will use this yarn. It's yarn art jeans. It's a category 2 yarn. Recommends 3.5 millimeter hook, which I will use it 3.5. It's 50 grams and 160 meters acrylic and cotton blend. You don't need to use this yarn, of course, but if you want same look, that's the yarn I choose to use. That's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. Start with a slip knot, then make 4 chains. Insert into this first chain, join with a slip stitch. Now we will work into this ring. Chain 3, that's our first double crochet. Now yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And we are gonna make one more double crochet. Then chain 2, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochets. Now instead of joining with chaining 2, I'm gonna make a chain and insert into this third chain. I'm gonna keep hiding this tail too, so put it on your hook, grab the yarn, make a single crochet, yarn over and pull through, so we can directly start from the corner. Chain 3, that's our first double crochet. Now into this corner, put one more double crochet, and we have 3 stitches here. Put one double crochet into each stitch. 1, 2, 3. And into the corner, we're gonna make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 2 chains, then put 1 double crochet into each stitch, two double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets into the corner. So you're gonna keep repeating this. For one side you will have totally 7 double crochets. Just complete this row. Then you're gonna put 2 double crochets into the corner, chain 1 and join with a slip stitch. Single crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3 into this corner, make 1 more double crochet, then make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. Starting from the next, make 3 double crochets. Into the corner, make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 more double crochets. Again, make 3 double crochets, 1 chain, skip 1 and make 3 more double crochets. Then make the corner. That's our repeat for this row. See you at the end. In the end, you are going to put 2 more double crochets into the corner, chain 1, join with a single crochet, chain 3, make 1 more double crochet here, then make a totally 5 double crochets totally with this ones, then make 3 more double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. There will be 2 double crochets left, chain 3, into this 1 chain space put a single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, make 3 double crochets, into the corner, make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 more double crochets. Make 3 double crochets. One of my cat is crying so hard. Chain 3, into this 1 chain space put a single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, make 3 double crochets, then make the corner, repeat this till the end. Okay, she came in and she's fine. I make 2 more double crochets into the corner, then chain 1, join with a single crochet, chain 3, and into this corner put 1 more double crochet, and now make 5 more double crochets, 1, 2, 3 4 and 5. It's totally 7 with these two. And into this 3 chain space put 2 more double crochets. 1, 2. Chain 1. Into here put 2 double crochets. Make 5 double crochets. And make the corner 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. That's our repeat. Just complete this row 2. Now into the corner I put 2 more double crochets, then join with a single crochet, chain 3, and for this row we are gonna put 1 double crochet into each stitch. When you reach this 1 chain space, you're gonna put 1 double crochet here, then keep going, don't miss this one. You will totally have 23 double crochets in the end. With this 2, of course, put 2 double crochets. It's 23 now. Chain 2, put 2 more double crochets into the corner. And starting from this first stitch, put 1 double crochet into each stitch. Just complete the row. I complete the row and join with a single crochet again. Then we are gonna start the last row. Into this corner, put 1 more double crochet. Put 1 double crochet into each stitch, like we did before. That's so easy, so I'm not gonna show you all of them. Into this corner you are gonna put 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, and for one side you will have 27 double crochets. Complete this, see you at the end. And in the end I made 2 more double crochets into the corner, then chain 2. This time join with a slip stitch, make 1 more chain and cut the yarn. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest and Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.